Hello and welcome, fellow occupational therapists, to Animals and Aquatics in OT, Embracing Independence, Nature Edition. I'm your host, Gina, and today we're delving into the beautiful world of how nature-based animal and aquatics empower our clients to embrace their independence. As OTs, we know the power of the soothing rustle of leaves, the gentle flow of water, and the joy that animals bring to our hearts. This Independence Day, let's explore how these elements become our partners in helping our clients achieve their goals. Picture this. Sarah, a young girl with autism, finds solace and comfort during nature walks with therapy goats. As she interacts with our loving companions, she blossoms, developing her motor planning, sensory processing, and building confidence step by step. And then there's Mark, who had a CVA, whose aquatic therapy sessions help him regain his balance and mobility in the water's buoyancy. We see the therapeutic aquatic environment become a safe haven for him, where he rediscovers independent movement and his strength. He's excitedly looking forward to his next trip to the beach with his family. These are just a few examples of the magic that happens when we combine occupational therapy with nature, animals, or water. There is something uniquely special about tapping into these natural elements to nurture the spirit of independence in our clients. Nature, with its calming presence, provides a canvas for us to engage in creative occupational therapy sessions. We can work on fine motor skills by gardening, build sensory integration through nature hikes, or even promote social interactions with the group activities at the farm. Partnering with animals, on the other hand, brings joy and motivation to the therapeutic process. Whether it's a therapy horse, providing movement opportunities, or a therapy dog, encouraging a child to try new things, animals have a way of connecting us on a profound level. And let's not forget the wonders of aquatic therapy. In the water, clients experience increased sensory feedback, increased flexibility, and a boost in their overall emotional well-being. It's a refreshing approach to reach goals that may have seemed out of reach on land. As we celebrate Independence Day, let's take a moment to recognize the incredible impact nature, animals, and water have on our clients' journey to independence. As OT practitioners, we are blessed to witness these transformations firsthand. Whether we're facilitating a session in a beautiful garden, accompanying clients on a nature trail, or orchestrating animal interactions, these experiences become the stepping stones towards greater independence and fulfillment. So, dear OT colleagues, this Independence Day, let's not only appreciate the joy of nature and animals in our lives, but also the profound difference that they make in the lives of those we serve. That's all for today's special edition of Animals and Aquatics, Embracing Independence, Nature Edition. I hope this inspired you to explore more nature-based animal and aquatic approaches in your practice. From all of us at Animals and Aquatics, let's celebrate the power of the natural elements of animals and water and how they allow our clients to spread their wings and embrace independence. Until next time, fellow OTs, keep embracing the beauty of nature and making a difference in the lives of those we care for. Happy Independence Day.